Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your price alerts on Coinspot's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To set up your price alerts on Coinspot, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in coinspot.com.au and make a search. Log into your Coinspot account using your login credentials and the home page of Coinspot account will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop down, tap on Price Alerts option. On the next page, select a coin to set an alert for or search for the coin, then tap on it. Select your alert type, notification method, price type, alert price and click on Create Alert option. This is how you can set off price alerts on Coinspot's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.